Hey, what's going on YouTube? AMC here with a box break of 2016 Topps Chrome Baseball. I went to Walmart today to try to find 2016 Bowman Platinum, which is a Walmart exclusive. Unfortunately, they did not have it, so I went ahead and picked this up. So let's see what we get in this. Hopefully an autograph or some color. I think I did one of these earlier, right when it came out. I don't recall getting anything. I did get a rack pack though and got a Frankie Montas auto out of 150. I think it was out of 150. It was a purple. Alright, there we go. Alright, first pack. Let's see what we get. We have Adam Wainwright. There we go. Adam Wainwright. Robinson Cano. Kevin Kiermaier Future Stars insert. And Dallas Keuchel. Alright. We have a Future Stars Jake Odorizzi. Oh, sweet. Billy Hamilton Perspectives. Really cool card. Carlos Ruiz. And Cole Hamels. Right. So that's a cool Billy Hamilton to get. I think I already had it though. Rusney Castillo. Brian Dozier. And I think this is called a Prism of Brett Gardner. Not numbered. And Kyle Schwarber rookie. That's cool to get. He is from near where I live, so that's kind of cool. Jose Fernandez, a refractor of Josh Donaldson, Ross Stripling, and Brian Johnson rookies. Jose Altuve, Michael Brantley, Michael Conforto Perspectives. These Perspectives cards are really nice. And Joey Votto. All right. He's my favorite player, Joey Votto, and I PC him, so that's pretty cool to get. I don't know if I have him or not. It's always good to have another. David Wright, Julio Teheran, Refractor, Steven Strasburg, and Carlos Carrasco. Right, last pack, then we'll do our Sepia pack. Jose Bautista, a refractor of Miguel Cotto. I think he's a boxer. First pitch refractor. Jeremy Hazelbaker and Jose Berrios. Alright, let's see who we get in Sepia. Aroldis Chapman. That's cool. Justin Upton. Alright, Chris Bryant. That made us all worth it. Chris Bryant. Very nice. And Hisashi Iwakuma. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.